This video presents the instructions for a decision-making game. Welcome to this session, which is structured as follows. First section for general principles of the game. Second section for explaining the main parts of the game. Third one gives details about the prize. And finally, a summary. The session lasts about 30 minutes and is organized as follows. This instruction video lasts about 5 minutes. Look at it carefully. It will be followed by comprehension questions. The main parts of the game lasts about 15 minutes and will be followed by some various questions about you. Generally speaking, in this game, there is no right or wrong answer. We only want to observe your preferences. The game will have 2 parts. In part 1, we will ask you to take decisions in 2 different situations, A and B. We will now present you with the choice situation A that you will face. There will be 2 persons, you and an anonymous other person, deciding how to split an amount of money. You get to choose between a sure option with the same amount paid to you and to the other, or a risky option. In this case, you leave the decision on how the money is split to the other person. You now see a typical example of the choices you will face. In the sure option, you make the final decision, and in this case, you each get 175 euros. For the risky option, the other person will split up 500 euros between the 2 of you. The other person has 2 options. Either to split the amount equally, in which case, you each get 250 euros, or to split the amount unequally. In this case, you get 100 euros and the other person gets 400 euros. You will be asked to make the same decision for higher or lower payoffs of the sure option, ranging from 100 euros to 250 euros. But the risky option remains the same. When you complete all the choice questions, you can review your recorded answers using the cursor. The red area indicates that you are indifferent between both options. The yellow area indicates that you preferred the right option. The purple area indicates that you preferred the left option. If you are not satisfied with your responses, click the red button labeled "Start again the task." If you are satisfied with your responses, click Next to continue. Let's now move on to situation B. In this situation, you are randomly and anonymously paired with another person. We will now want you to make a choice on how to split this amount of money. You can choose from the following options. Split the amount so that you each get 250 euros. Split the amount so that you get 400 euros and the other person gets 100 euros. You can change your choice as you want. However, once you confirm the selection with the button Next, you won't be able to go back. Now let's consider the choices you will face in part 2. We will ask you to choose between 2 options. The option on the left offers a gain of 100 euros. If the proportion of participants chose to split the amount of 500 euros equally is between 0% and 50%. The option on the right offers a gain of 100 euros. If the proportion of participants chose to split the amount of 500 euros equally is between 51% and 100%. You must choose the option that you think is most likely to occur. You will be asked to make the same decision for different blue ranges. When you complete all the choice questions, you can review your recorded answers using the cursor. The red area indicates that you are indifferent between both options. The yellow area indicates that you preferred the right option. The purple area indicates that you preferred the left option. If you are not satisfied with your responses, click the red button labeled "Start again the task." If you are satisfied with your responses, click Next to continue. Let's now look at the prize you can win today. One of the questions will be randomly selected. For this question, The option chosen during the game will be played for real. This winning prize is limited to only 10% of the participants. Summary. The game has 2 different parts, each involving different decision situations. There are no right or wrong answers. We're simply interested in your preferences. You will receive clear instructions again before each part of the game.